Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I made this beautiful coconut curry snapper. So first I'm going to start off by adding my oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Then I'm adding a blend of curry powder and some other spices. I'll have the full recipe in the description box below. And we're just going to toast our curry powder. And you want to do this on a medium to low heat because you don't want the curry powder to burn, but you want to get it to have a toasty flavor. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in my herbs. I'm using some green onions, some garlic, and some Scotch bonnet pepper. And I am adding my coconut cream. We're just going to give that a good stir. I'm also going to add some pimento seeds to this, as well as a tablespoon of butter. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some water. I added about a cup of water. Then we're just going to cover this and let it simmer just until the curry is cooked. We're going to let that cook for about 15 minutes or so. We just want to ensure that the curry is fully cooked before we add our fish in. So now I'm adding my fish that was already seasoned. I will put the recipe in the description box, like I said before. And as you can see, my pot or my fish is too big for my pot, so you want to use a good size pot that will fit your fish. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and baste my fish. I don't like to have too much liquid in there when I steam my fish because I don't want it to be like swimming in too much liquid. I am, however, going to go ahead and add a little bit more water to this. I'm adding in some bell peppers, green and red bell peppers. You can use whatever kind of bell peppers you want to add, or you can omit them. You don't have to put them in. And here I'm adding just a little bit more water. I'm just tasting it to see if I need to add any more salt, which I do. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some more salt at this point. Then we're just gonna cover this and let this steam for about 10 minutes or so. Once you poke your fish with a fork and the fork goes through without any resistance, then your fish is done and ready to be served. Again, it shouldn't take more than 10 to 15 minutes for your fish to be cooked. And then you're ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, leave a comment, and share with a friend. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next.